That's the baby.
That's the baby.
That's Sadie.
Sadie's gonna come home tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
That's quite amazing because it's dropped down off something that's about.
Whoa. Oh, sorry. We're interrupting them. Shut up.
The law will go into effect 18 months after the governor signs it. New York State.
Oh no. Oh, Diamond. Oh.
You're not supposed to run back in. There you go.
Are you stuck? How are you gonna get out? No, stop trying to help Goat. You're making it worse. You're making it worse.
Get out.
Kolega. Do it.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you are not living with me.
Don't you?
Oh. I'm so afraid of emus. Oh my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, get out of my lap! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here! No! Get out of here! Come on, man! Seriously, dude! Back off! Oh god, I think I heard it. Did I hurt it? That's why you have one eye, asshole! Oh my god.
Tab!
Come on.
Jump! Jump!
Tam!
Jump!
I'm here!
Jump!
Jump.
Tam!
Uh-oh. You picked me up. Oh, you caught it? Yeah. Oh!
He's big.
Bien, Oscar.
Look over here. That was awesome. I got that right on camera. There's a deer behind me. Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it! It's gonna start humping. It's gonna hump you. It's gonna. There's a deer chasing you. He's pissed. We gotta go. We gotta go. Terry, pull away.
That was honestly the fucking.
He's gonna break your window.
Oh my god!